let's begin. First, we go to Revu, check if it is markup mode, and profiles. We check if it is quantity takeoff mark, means we save the profile. Now we go to markup list, check the columns. Whatever the columns is required for HVAC takeoff, will mark. Subject, level, length is required for the duct length calculation. Count is required for any items such as dampers and grills, and unit is required, like what will be the unit, like in meter or square meter, whatever it is. Now for the duct measurement, we need a height, width, and perimeter and area also, but it is not in this default list. Okay, so we'll create it. Go to manage column, then this is the display order. After that there is a custom column. We'll click on the custom column. Okay, now here we can add whatever the desired thing we required. For example, we need duct width. Okay, since duct width we are going to have a number, so whatever the number, like 100 mm, 200 mm, 500 mm, so duct width is, we have chosen the format to a number. Okay, now another thing is duct height. This will also be a number. We'll put the number in, we'll put the duct height in numbers. Okay, now two things are remaining. One is perimeter and area. So we know the duct perimeter is duct perimeter. We need to put the formula there. Okay, so it is asking for expression. So for the perimeter, because we do all our markups in mm, so I am pointing out in mm only. Okay, so here what we need for duct perimeter, we need duct height and width. Okay, so assuming all the duct and height we are going to place in mm, so we have already put two units here. Okay, like duct width and height. So for the duct perimeter also we put the formula, and expression we'll do is duct height or width, duct width plus duct height. We start with the bracket. Okay, and into 2 divided by 1000, since we are going to have it in the mm. So for this, for the duct area we need it in the meter, so that's why we have divided into 1000, divided by 1000. Now last thing we are going to add is duct area. Okay, for this we will also check the formula, and expression will do as length, which we are going to measure, into perimeter, duct perimeter. So into duct perimeter. Now enter. Remember, we put the decimal places to 2. Okay. Now this we are going to save to our profile, because we don't want to add every time we do all this, we do any PDF. So we'll save to the profile. Okay, done. So now here we see subject, level, length, count, unit, duct width, height, duct perimeter, duct area. Okay, everything is here. Now, coming to the next point, we are going to calibrate this point. Okay. First, we check if there is any scale marking or not. So, if there is no scale marking, we create one. We'll calibrate it. So, how do we do? We'll calibrate custom, and then we go inside the drawing and see, check any length or width which is available. So, as we can see, this is 500 or 400. We'll just click here and here. So now it is almost 4.9 centimeter. So we'll check it 0.5 meters because we want everything in the meter. Now it should be based in 0.0 our apply scale. So this whole part is done. Now how to do the markup? Go to tool chest. Okay. Here there is a mechanical markup list. Okay. So this I have already made, but if you are new to it, so I will show you how to create a markup for any part, any duct or any object. So first we'll go with the general. See there is a length measurement and polyline. We'll select the polyline. Okay, because this length is a polyline. So we'll check here. We'll go like this. All this size are same. So we don't need to bother about the change. Okay. So now after pressing enter, press escape. Now this is outside air duct OA 500 by 400. So we'll click it here. We'll check here. Where it is subject, we change the subject to outside air duct. Okay. We can say OAD simply OAD also. Okay. Now level we are going to just type the size 500 by 400 and just if you want to add into our tool chest like mechanical or my tools, you can add it. So we'll do it later, but right now we'll just go with this only. Now this is done. As you can see, here this is OAD 500 by 400. The length is automatically calculated in meters. Unit is also there in meters. Now we need to just put duct width and height. So duct perimeter and area can be easily calculated. So we just put 500, 400. So duct area in square meter is already calculated. We can add anything here also, like if you want to add the remarks, you can add the remarks also like this. You go to manage columns, custom column, add. Now we type remarks. Suppose we want to show it like I'll just show you. It will be remarks will be in text. Okay. This will this is also going to save to profile. Okay. Okay. So now remarks is here. Suppose this outside air duct is with insulation, then you can add with insulation with insulation. Or if it is not, then just keep it that way. Another thing is that most important thing. Here we see this duct of 500 by 500. This is a riser. Okay. So same we'll go to now we'll go to recent tools. In recent tools you will see OAD that 500 by 400 is already there. So we'll take that only. For any building height is around 3.5 meters. So we'll check, we'll go with the 3.5 or something like that. Okay. Now we place the enter. Now here what we are going to do is we'll change the level to this with the size 500 by 500 and we'll write the riser so that in the riser we'll we place in it is required separately to code. Okay, so here it is right here. This is already there. We just need to change the height to 500, and in remarks we'll put the price. Okay, this is like this. This is how we are going to do the markup. Once it is done, we'll save the drawing file, save as, and we'll place it as a MTO. Okay. Now, most important part is summary. Okay. So here we can see these unnecessary things are there, like area measurement, which is not done by us. Okay. It was earlier in the file, so it is not required by us. And this highlighted thing is also not required. Okay, so for all these things, what we can do is we'll shift and select down everything. Now we go to documents and flattening. Remember to mark allow markup recovery. If somebody wants to unflatten it, then somebody wants to see what was earlier in the file, that he can do it. Okay, now I'll just click on the flatten. It will be gone from here. And another thing is that there is text box. Okay, so we'll also do the flatten. Okay, go to documents, flatten, flatten. Okay, so now we have just marked these two things, so it is already there. These two things. Okay. Another thing is that if we want to add a supplier grill or some counting measurement, we can also do it. Just remember, go to this. Now go to general measurement. Here we check with the count measurement. Okay, because we need to count the quantity of whatever the size is available. Click on the count measurement. There I can change the symbol. Okay, I'm just marking one. This is 1400 by 1000 supply air grill. Okay, I can change the symbol from here, whatever the symbol I feel, whatever the color I need. Okay, here we can, here in the subject we'll just write it down, supply air grill, and in the level we just mention the size 1400 by 1000. Okay, so we need the quantity only. If suppose this was also a 1400 by 1000, we'll just go and resume the count. Okay, once we select, both things will be selected. Since it is another size, I will just split the count, but the item is same. I'll just click on here, and here we can change the dimension, like 1000 by 300. Finish. Similarly, we can do like this also for this duct also. The size is mentioned here, 1100 by 1100. So this whole size is 1100 by 1100. Okay, so now here we count one. So we will resume the count for this 1400 by 1000, and we just click it here and escape. So this is done. So this is how it is done. Okay, for this ducting, this is your exhaust duct. So we'll just do the layer with the recent tools. Okay, we'll go like this because these are of same size. Here. Okay, now we need to change it to exhaust duct. So we'll change the name first. So this consider is EAD, and the size is 250 by 250. So here we can change the size by 250 by 250. Now similarly here also we need to put the duct width, like 250 by 250. So So it will automatically calculate the area, and whatever the riser, if you're going to put the riser, you can put the riser also. So I'm not going to show everything. I have just shown you an example. You will have to calculate like this only. Then the important thing is summary. So summary, we are going to CSV summary. Okay, now select the folder where you want to save it. So I have already selected. This is the folder I want to select it. Now okay, it will automatically export all the items. So you can see this is your exhaust air duct with the area. This is your outside air duct with the riser and area. Whatever the length unit, count unit. Okay. I think length unit is not required. You can go with the unit only. So we'll just delete it. We'll also uncheck this in the column also. Length unit. We'll check with the length unit. Multiplication, subject length, count unit. Okay, it is not required. We'll go with this. So now, right now, everything is like we just make it something like this. This is your subject length and everything. We'll hold it. Now, for the ducting measurement, we need to segregate it. Okay, we'll just uh, copy it, paste it here, copy, paste. Okay, and from here we'll delete it. Here we need to, because we have copied it, because we need to consider some extra ducting. Okay, so here we'll just write it down, total sum 15% extra. The formula is into 15%. Then total EAD, we'll add this plus this, and we'll make a box. Okay. Similarly for this outside area, just copy this, paste it here. Okay. Right, and copy this only. Just paste it. Instead of this, we put the formula is equal to sum. So this is how we are going to calculate it and delete this here from here. Now this file is in .csv format. We'll save as it in XLS format. So we'll just name it MTO. CSV is already there. We'll just delete the CSV and keep the same name. So I guess this is how we're going to do it. From here we can also delete this one, because for the counting we do not require that weight, height, everything. So we'll just delete it, check the cells left. So now everything seems fine. Everything is clear. Thank you.